I was learning how to import and export images in a Unity game on Android. And then this popped up on my YouTube feed, the various types of Obama. This gave me a major flashback from the time that I had made my own version of Obamium. So I decided to make a tool that would allow people to make their own version of Obamium for my next research project.
So I created a new Unity project
And began implementing the script that would allow the users to import and export images from the Android app. I use this plugin called Native Gallery by this smart chap YaCircle for the same. I will leave the link to the GitHub repository in the description. Then I modeled the Obamium. This was for the first time that I had modeled something other than the default cube, and of course as Sun Tzu said, who plays a game without a UI? So I gave the game a user interface. This is what the game looked like in the end.